this news story in Oklahoma where this husband and wife, they had a pug they lost on Christmas Eve, in which days later they got an envelope containing $20 and a note where some woman found this dog who had been having alcohol problems and lost custody of her daughter, in which her daughter was visiting. And her daughter really wanted a dog. So they renamed the dog, and this lady gave her daughter this dog that originally belonged to these other people. And that story sounds so sad, but you don't care. All you care about is some Shitzu snoring. Can I just say a bad word on camera? Oh, I'm sorry. There's a snoring Shitzu video that got featured. As I'm searching the term snoring dog, I found 800 matches. But why didn't those other videos get featured? Why did this get featured? Because YouTube decided, a snoring dog? That hasn't been featured yet. Let's feature it. And I was looking through the comments of this video, and I saw comments like some musicians saying, I've been trying for months to get featured, and now this snoring dog video got featured. I might as well just give up. And another person saying of his friend who bred Shih Tzus, in which they actually have a small nose, so it's hard for them to breathe. So why can't people go to the pets and animals section and actually take their time to search for these cute pet videos, rather than having them waste space on the main featured page, where there could be more deserving people get featured? But then people would be saying it's discrimination that my cute pet video can't get featured on the main page.